In this video, I'm going to give introduction about the virtual labs. This is a project initiated by the Ministry of Human Resource Development under the National Mission on Education through ICT. So to go to this virtual labs, select virtual labs in Google or type www.vlab.co.in. Just scroll down this window. You have several broad areas of virtual labs. Click any one area. Now to show the demo, I'll click this electronics and communications. So you have various labs that are listed out here. Now under digital electronics, we have digital electronics lab new, digital logic design lab. Then we have a hybrid electronics lab. You can look for the experiment that our university prescribes in these labs. Now for the demo purpose, I'll click this digital electronics lab new. This was developed by IIT Roorkee. So click it. In the left hand side, the introduction, objective, list of experiments, the target audience, course alignment and the feedback are given. Just click this list of experiments. We'll see this experiment, that is to study and verify the half and full subtractor. So the aim of the experiment is given. The theory is also given here. We can ask the students to go through this theory before they perform the experiment. The procedure to do the experiment is also given here. Now directly we'll go to the simulation. Now suppose if I want to simulate this half subtractor, click it. The instructions to perform the experiment are given under the tab instructions. So first we need to connect the supply to the IC. Then press the switches for the inputs A and B. Click add to obtain the truth table for different inputs. After obtaining the truth table, click print. So follow these instructions to perform the experiment. So first we need to switch on the power supply. Now the inputs A and B are equal to 0, 0. Hence, the difference output and the borrow output, they are also equal to 0, 0. So if I want to add this in the truth table, just press this add button. Now make this A as 1 by pressing it. So the difference is 1 and the borrow is equal to 0. So add this combination in the truth table. Now make A as 0 and B as 1. So both difference and borrow are equal to 1, which is shown by these output LEDs. Now add this input combination and their outputs in the truth table. Now make both the inputs as 1 by pressing A and B. So whenever A and B are equal to 1 and 1, then the difference and the borrow are equal to 0. Add this also in the truth table. So once all the values are recorded for all the possible combinations, press this print button. So we'll have the record of all the input combinations and their respective outputs, which is shown here. And these virtual labs can also be used to explain the basic concepts and the advanced concepts in the theory also. For example, if I want to simulate the K-map and the Kuhn-McCluskey method, which are the techniques that are used for simplifying the Boolean expression, we can have this K-map and Kuhn-McCluskey simulator under this computer science and engineering area. So click this computer science and engineering. Go to the computer architecture and organization lab. Click the list of experiments. So we have the K-map simulator and Kuhn-McCluskey algorithm. So click this K-map. Press the simulator and click here for K-map simulator. Now suppose if you have the sum of the minterms, for example, says 0, 4, 8 and 12, then the simplified expression is given here, that is x1 bar, x0 bar. So we can use this simulator to explain the K-map simplification to the students. So try to explore more in this virtual labs and do the syllabus mapping between the university prescribed courses and the experiments that are available in VLab. Suppose if you are not able to find any experiment in a VLab, then you can write it to, or you can give your feedback to support@vlab.co.in. So for any doubts or for any clarification, you can contact me. Thank you very much.